How to pay bills in Fifth Third Bank. First of all, log into your Fifth Third Bank online account at 53.com using your user ID and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main menu and click on Transfer and Pay. Under this section, select Make Payments. If this is your first time, you will need to add a biller. Click on Add Biller, then search for the company name or manually enter the biller's information, including the name, account number, and billing address. After adding the biller, select it from your list, then choose the account you want to make the payment from. Next, enter the amount you want to pay and choose the date you want the payment to be sent. Double check all the payment details for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click Confirm to pay the bill. You will receive a confirmation screen once your payment is submitted. The bill will be paid on the selected date and you can track the payment status in the payment history section. And that's it. Now you know how to pay bills in Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.